If your goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, there are only two ways to do it: the fast way and the slow way. And now the fast way is not free, but it works. Because instead of spending months trying to figure things out, you can actually grow your channel strategically and reach that 1,000 subscriber mark within a short time frame. So if you're someone who is serious about getting monetized and you don't want to waste time guessing, I do offer promotion and growth services that help creators reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours faster. But I'll say this clearly: this is not for everybody. This is for people who are ready to take their channel seriously. So if that's you, you can reach out through the email on the screen or in the description. And please, don't reach out if you're not ready, because this is not a free service and it's not magic. It's strategy. Your channel still needs to make sense. Your content still needs to be positioned properly. So this is for serious creators who are ready to grow. Now, if you don't want to invest yet, or you prefer to grow your channel organically, let me show you the 10-day plan that can get you to your first 1,000 subscribers, but you have to actually follow it, not just watch and do nothing. Day 1. Fix your channel. Day 1 is simple. Fix your channel. Most people skip this and start posting immediately. Bad idea. Your channel needs a clear niche, clean profile, simple banner, focused content direction. If your channel looks confusing, people won't subscribe. Day 2. Pick the right topics. Stop posting random content. Choose topics people are already searching for. Examples: how to grow on YouTube, how to get subscribers, how to start a channel. If people are not searching for it, your growth will be so slow. Day 3. Create 2 high-value videos. Don't post 10 bad videos. Create 2 strong ones, at least 8 to 12 minutes long. Focus on clear topics, good structure, straight to the point. These videos are what will carry your growth. Day 4. Fix your titles and thumbnails. This is where most people fail. If your title is boring, nobody clicks. Instead of "My YouTube Journey," say "How I Gained 500 Subscribers Fast." Make it clear, make it clickable. Day 5. Post strategically. Upload your videos. Don't just post and disappear. After posting, share it. Engage with comments. Stay active. YouTube watches early engagement. Day 6. Study your video. Check your click-through rate, watch time, and audience retention. If people are leaving early, fix your intro. Day 7. Create again. Now repeat. Use what you learned. Make your next video better. Growth comes from improvement. Day 8. Use shorts. Use shorts to attract attention, but don't depend on them. They bring subscribers, but not watch hours. Day 9. Push your best video. Find your best performing video. Focus on it. Improve your title and thumbnail. This can increase views instantly. Day 10. Stay consistent. This is where most people fail. They stop. Don't. Because consistency is what builds momentum. Now, let me be real with you again. This 10-day plan works, but it requires effort. It requires patience. And not everybody wants to go through that process. If you want to speed things up and reach your 1,000 subscribers faster without guessing, that's exactly what my promotion and growth service is for. So if you're serious and ready to take action, send a message through the email in the description. Whether you choose the fast way or the organic way, just understand this: getting to 1,000 subscribers is not luck, it's strategy. And once you hit that first 1,000, everything becomes easier. So don't overcomplicate it. Just start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to a fellow creator that needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next video.